Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but I mean, you look down here at the volume, and while volume wasn't necessarily gigantic, it was still definitely very, very respectable, and to have this sort of price movement go along with it, very nice way to end the week. More of the story, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one headed into next week, so a lot of let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out here. First, I'm going to do, though, is a little house cleaning, and I've done this analysis several times before, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But first, I'm going to do here is just get rid of these lines here. Sure, these levels pertain to the chart still. They're just not relevant, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $83.40 is going to be that first key level that, ideally you want to see the price stay above. And I say ideally because that would make the chart look the best. However, it's not like if the price drops below that level, that implies all of a sudden that the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to somehow actually stay up above that area, that would certainly be a very impressive sign of power moving forward. But taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above that level would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, got to squeeze down the chart here now as we head back into the chart's history. Next key overarching level to keep an eye on right up here at the $86 mark. So yeah, it makes it easy. Nice round number of 86. So $86, public enemy number one headed into next week. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Impressive volume today, impressive price movement. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.